Now we're going to go ahead and add our top navigation to our site. To do this, you use the Add panel, and here, if you scroll to the top, we can actually add a section. As soon as you click into this, this will include it in the display area. So right now we have a section. We're going to use the Style panel to go ahead and give it a class of top nav. Here we can actually edit the attributes. So if we wanted to change the background color, which we do, we can go in here and select the particular color that we're looking for, and then we can actually edit the transparency of that. So let's say that we wanted to set it at around 43, 43, 43 of RGB value, and then let's give it a opacity of around 90%. So you can manually enter it, or you can actually use the click and drag method to actually change the color here. So we're going to go ahead and click OK, and now we have our top nav with the class. It's changed the background. The next thing we're going to do is add in a link block for our, before we do that, we need to add in a container. The container will set the width of the content that is within a particular section. So if we add in a container here, you know it's off, you could see that it's offset on the left and the right side. This sets our content to fit nicely with some padding on the left and right sides of the full width of the web page itself. So now that we have our container, we can add in a link block within that container to house our logo. Before we do that, we're going to go ahead and include an image, and we're going to upload the image, and within our assets folder we can go ahead and navigate and select the logo.png. As soon as we drop that in, you can see that the image is now placed in there. The one thing that we'll want to do is add some padding around the actual logo itself in order for it to kind of breathe some. So using the navigator panel, if we select our link block, we can go back to our style panel and give it a class of logo. From there, using the position, you can just click and drag to give it a little bit of padding, and so here we've clicked and dragged and we've given it 10 pixels up top. And the other way you can do it is actually just clicking directly on the number and typing it in, so 10 pixels on the bottom as well. And now you can see it's got a little bit of breathing room on top and the bottom.